Papa, continue on course, contact Miami departure.
Contact Miami departure, 553 Alpha Papa.
Papa, you going northwest bound?
Northwest bound, 553 Alpha Papa.
Start your left turn northwest, please.
Executive Tower, helicopter 22 Echo Alpha.
7 Romeo Alpha, you're following Chester traffic, correction, design traffic at your 12 o'clock 3 mile final. Number 35 Tango, turn right Golf, ground 121.7.
To ground 35 Tango.
Sirius 907 Charlie, Miami Executive Tower, flight heading 090, runway 90 left, clear for takeoff, Cessna traffic 1 mile final, no delay.
Clear for takeoff, runway 90 left, fly heading 090, 07 Charlie.
7 Romeo Alpha, runway 90 left, clear touch and go.
Runway 90 left, clear and touch and go, 7 Romeo Alpha.
Good.
Wind 100 at 5. Number 1 November Golf, Sirius traffic, departs prior to your arrival.
Inside, going as slow as I can, 1 November Golf.
How are you? Here's speed alive.
Executive Tower, 32 Echo Alpha.
Helicopter 22 Echo Alpha, Miami Executive Tower.
You never know, I'm serious with him.
Northeast of field.
You never know, you can't catch me.
Helicopter 2 Echo Alpha, proceed inbound the Echo arrival. Land at the ramp, will be at your own risk, altimeter 3020, wind 100 at 5, report landing short.
Echo arrival 100 at 5, report landing.
ES-15 Delta, turn base, runway 9 or left, clear touch and go.
Turn base, runway 9 left, clear to touch and go 15 Delta.
November 1 November Golf, expedite to Alpha 3, ground 121.7, traffic 1 mile final.
Okay, we'll roll down to Alpha 3, ground point 7, 1 November Golf, 5.
Sirius 07 Charlie, helicopter traffic at your 12 o'clock 1 mile westbound, altitude indicating 400.
Looking for traffic, 07 Charlie. 400, that's climb.
Helicopter 2 Echo Alpha, Sirius traffic just off your right 1 mile on a heading of 090, altitude indicating 1000, climbing to 2000.
2 Echo Alpha, no factor, level 500, Echo arrival.
Sirius 07 Charlie, helicopter traffic, passing you just off your right wing now, no factor, contact Miami departure.
Going to Miami, 07 Charlie, copy on the helicopter.
Is it no factor?
Yeah. Miami, 07 Charlie, good morning. 1600, climbing to 2000 and 090 heading.
Over 07 Charlie, Miami departure, radar contact, maintain 3000, turn right, heading 130.
Right, heading 130, maintain 3000, 07 Charlie.
November 1 Lima Golf, contact Homestead approach on 123.8.
123.8 to Homestead Lima Golf, thanks.
123.8, thanks. Number 2 Lima Papa, 170 on the speed.
170 on the speed. Hey, 1 Lima Papa.
Always live and fly when I come out of Miami, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Jetshare 730, turn right, heading 270, descend to maintain 4000.
Right to 270 and down to 4000, Jetshare 730.
When I put the autopilot in the Turkey, you can't get too lazy with it, you know.
No, sir.
Number 2 Lima Papa, descend to maintain 2000.
2000 Lima Papa.
Already skill.
Number 57 Foxtrot Alpha, Miami. Alpha 3448, climb maintain 16,000.
216, 16,000, Alpha 3448.
Flexjet 527, turn right heading 270.
Right heading 270, Flexjet 527.
Jetshare 730, traffic 12 o'clock, 5 miles, southeastbound, a Cirrus climbing at 3,000.
Jet 730, looking for Sirius.
Sirius 07 Charlie, traffic 11 o'clock, 5 miles westbound, a citation descending to 4,000.
Looking for traffic, 07 Charlie.
November 7 Golf Tango, contact departure on, or disregard. Number 7 Golf Tango, turn left heading 340.
Left 340, 7 Golf Tango. Go away from us.
November 2 Lima Papa, turn 10 degrees to the left, descend to maintain 1,500.
10 left, 1,500, sorry, 1 to the Papa.
November 07 Charlie, turn, actually continue present heading.
Departure American 1592, 1500, climbing via the Colada.
American 1592, Miami departure, radar contact, climb maintain 7,000.
There should be a jet right here.
Flight jet 527, reduce speed to 210.
At 1210.
210.
Jet share 730, reduce speed to 210.
Reduce speed to 210, Jet Share 730.
November 3 Alpha Papa, descend and maintain VFR at or below 2,000, outside of the Bravo.
Isa pa, sa lupit paso, bawi ano.
2,000. Outside the Bravo. Alpha Papa.
Number 2 Lima Papa, turn right heading 360.
Kotso yun
Right,
nasa.
360, Lima Papa.
Price flight set 384 is 9.5.
Valid.
Yeah,
live off right here, right?
Yeah,
Flight jet 384, Miami approach, Miami altimeter 3020.
20.
November 2 Lima Papa, continue the right hand turn to a 070, maintain 1,500 till established on the localizer, cleared ILS, 9 right approach.
Continue 070, intercept the localizer to maintain 1,500 till established, 812 Papa.
November 07 Charlie, turn right direct to Dayak, climb and maintain 9,000.
Right direct to Dayak, turn and maintain 9,000. 07 Charlie.
November 7 Golf Tango, contact departure 126.85.
2685, 7 Golf Tango.
American 1592, climb maintain 16,000.
16,000, American 1592. Departure American 2161, we're passing 2.3 for 5.
Correction, American 2161, Miami departure, radar contact, climb maintain 7,000.
7,000, American 2161.
Number 2 Lima Papa, contact Miami Executive Tower, 118.9er.
Tower 189.
Miami approach is AF622 at Car Highway, DFR request.
ADF 662, if it's going to be a practice approach at Miami, there's 5 jets inbound, so it's going to be unable for about 10 minutes or so.
Right, AF622.
By 3448, contact Miami Center, 135.
We up on the radar, feel the radar bounce.
6 on by 3448, bye-bye.
American 1592, just to confirm, climb maintain 16,000.
Check out my shoes, I think it's
116, American 1592.
Flight at 384, flight heading 200, descend to maintain 6,000.
Play me and tell me about the water, no?
Eh?
Don't play me and tell me about the water, no?
3,000.
Descend maintain 3,000.
Very sensitive.
Flight jet 527, descend to maintain 3,000.
Descend maintain 3,000, flight jet 527.
Alright, so. Yeah, fuel pump out, crew set, mixture.
Departure, hello, American 1613, 2,000, climbing via Colada 2.
American 1613, Miami departure, radar contact, climb maintain 5,000.
5,000, American 1613.
Number 3 Alpha Papa, contact approach 128.6. November 3 Alpha Papa, contact approach 128.6.
Level 2,200 heading.
Number 5524 Alpha, Miami approach, roger. November 57 Foxtrot Alpha, Miami. Jet share 730, turn left heading 250. Traffic, 1 o'clock, 5 miles southbound, 1,900 indicated, type unknown.
Left 250, looking for traffic, Jet share 730.
Flight jet 527, fly heading 250.
Heading 250, flight jet 527.
American 2161, climb maintain 16,000.
16,000, 2161.
Flight jet 384, turn right heading 230.
Right 230, flight jet 384.
Itual, Mr. Castro, no?
Yep, we're still in Miami.
Eh, itual, no?
Oh.
And approach 12434, we have time Miami in sight.
Flaps up, boost pump off. This is completed. 5.
American 1592, contact Miami Center, 135.6.
35.6, American 1592.
Who was it that called Miami in sight?
Number 12434.
Jet Gesture 730, turn right, heading 270.
Right 270, Gesture 730.
Number 434, just stay with me for a little bit longer.
Affirm 12434.
From that traffic, I'll have a right turn here for you behind them.
Copy that, 65.
Gesture 730, contact Miami Executive Tower, 118.9er.
18.9er, Gesture 730.
Flexjet 384, turn right, heading 270.
Right 270, Flexjet 384.
American 773, climb maintain 1.
November 907, Charlie, confirm you'll be continuing the RNC approach at Blast?
That's affirmative, 07 Charlie.
Roger, advise us if you have any difficulty landing.
Roger, 07 Charlie. Can we lower down to 3000, 07 Charlie?
November 907, Charlie, you're entering uncontrolled airspace. So your radar service is terminated. Monitor our frequency 120.6, advise us of any problems, and change to Unicom 122.8 and descend your discretion.
07 Charlie, roger.
Okay, so Class G, we are good on it, so to speak.
No, still not control airspace. But once we leave from 5000, we're going to uncontrolled airspace.
Yes, I mean I said, but okay. That's well, still well then, so to speak.
Alright.
Yeah. Go to 5.
Kingston approach, American 1400, descending through 255 to 150, direct on left.
American 1400, man the radar, man the QNH 1016, descend and maintain 7000, expect the RNAV approach, runway 12.
Descend maintaining 7000, QNH 1016, and expect RNAV 12, American 1400.
JetBlue 659, I'll continue to descend 5000.
5000, JetBlue 659.
Jamaica.
Bosco Bell, traffic, 0907 Charlie at Blast, on the RNAV 9, inbound for London, Bosco Bell traffic. Boost off on Mixture Ridge.
It's
2,200,
yeah.
3,000 cross, is that 3,000?
Brake pressure. The altimeter set cabin heat, landing lights, fuel system, mixture, brake pressure. Jamaica, there goes Jamaica. Go through the cloud. issues with it. Right over the land.
$2,200.
Aircon traffic 6 November Lima, Lucy, 2000 and we're southwest Bonical.
Kingston. Bosco Bell, Unicom, 0907 Charlie on the INAV. 907 Charlie.
Before landing. Ready for that? No.
2200.
So where are we in now?
To be, well, my mind.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
Okay, 2200. Before landing, flaps 50. Make sure
Yeah,
it's as
seatbelt
required. Seatbelt.
Fuel pump. Yeah.
Fuel pump is on already.
Yeah. Autopilot as required.
Autopilot is on.
Before landing, checklist complete.
2000 now.
Aircon traffic 6 November Lima, Davis School, 1700 descent, southwest Bonical.
Okay. That's good. Good. Angle, 100 knots, that's good. Return it. Good. Down to 1200. Good. And now we're down now, power back. Good. So. Get in on jet. Good. Too fast. Okay. Light it up. Running light is on.
Yeah.
Make Shares as required, boost pump is on. 1500, 100 knots. Oscar Bell traffic, Cirrus 907 Charlie, is 3 miles from the west on the RNAV 9. Oscar Bell traffic.
Pilot, disconnect. Close panel. Oh, I wanna see if. Oh, no, you go on. Kite. Kite.
1200 decision altitude continuing. Okay, autopilot disconnected. Oscar Bell traffic, Cirrus 907 Charlie, short final, runway 9er, Oscar Bell traffic. It's down in our wall, you know, so.
Yeah.
Stay off to the side because it's like on the close. Ready to ride this up.
Dale lang yung siya kom.
Run up and down,
All this time.
Oscar Bell traffic, Cirrus 907 Charlie is clear of the active. Oscar Bell traffic.